I had an old root canal that had gone bad, and we had tried to fix it and tried to fix it, and there was just no recovering it anymore. It went bad. It was ready to explode in my head. There was so much infection in there, and I kept putting it off and putting it off. And I am a chicken from way back, and I like to postpone and postpone. When I was researching about having this done and then looking into just trying to find out what I could about Dr. Nordland, I saw that he teaches this procedure, that he has many publications, and he's renowned actually around the world for what he does. So I am very fortunate to have found him. I think there's an expectation, somebody who's that well known and that professional, how personable are they going to be? Well, with everything that was going on in my mouth, and this tooth is ready to explode, I was actually going to put it off again. I found another reason, and I got a phone call from Peter Nordland, and he said, let's get you on the path to healing. And that's what it took. It was a real turning point for me, and I thought, Peter's the guy who's going to take care of this for me. He was so kind and so gentle. He wasn't judgmental of me for trying to put it off again, which is also another fear, because you're embarrassed. You've put it off for so long. So I had my old tooth pulled, and then the new one put in, the implant done. And what I'm really amazed about is how all that fear was so unnecessary. When I came out of the procedure, I couldn't believe it had been done. And then the next day I was expecting all this anxiety and problems and swelling and aching and this and that, and I had nothing. The recovery was unbelievable. He had warned me that there might be a little bit of bruising and some swelling, and especially because I'm fair-skinned, I had nothing. He was so gentle, I think, and so good at what he does that I was afraid of nothing, and it just turned out great. Dr. Nordland and his entire staff were wonderful. From the moment I walked in the door, was in the examining room, and the moment that I left, besides being an absolute professional and wonderful at what he does, he is a great guy, and he puts you at ease. He exudes a confidence and a kindness, and you can't make that up.